She's under arrest. She's trapped in a police car in Texas. That's an airplane like Southwest Airline or Emirates Airline. She's on Emirates Airline or Frontier Airline or Spirit Airline or United Airline, Delta Airline. Have a great flight on the Emirates airplane. Emirates Airbus 380. Have a great flight on the Emirates. She's getting food. It doesn't matter. No. She can't wait for the food in Texas from McDonald's. What? Delicious. Tasty. It's delicious. It's delicious. Good one. It's delicious. Destroy it. She wanted to destroy it. Destroy it. This food. Destroy his food. What? It's empty. She's sleeping on an airplane called Emirates Airline. It's empty. There's nothing. Landing in Dubai International Airport on Emirates Airline. Safe travel to Dubai. So we have an airplane in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Spirit Airline or Frontier Airline or Delta Airline or JetBlue Airways or Frontier Airline, United Airline, Delta Airline or Air Canada, WestJet, the airline to Canada, or Emirates Airline, or British Airways, Air France, British Airways, Etihad Airways, the airline, or Japan Airline. Weekend landing in Ohio, probably this summer season. We can have a great flight. Have a great flight to United Arab Emirates for a trip in a few years. Probably in a few years. In case United Arab Emirates. Very expensive. It's very expensive, but I guess so.